Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Daikin AC error code U4. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how exactly fix your Daikin AC here. Now if your Daikin AC showing error code U4, it means there is a communication error between the indoor and outdoor unit. So in this case, what do you exactly need to do? So first things first is you can actually power cycle your unit. So turn off the power to the air conditioner. Now use the breaker switch or unplug the AC from the power outlet. It's just really important that you disconnect the power from it. Now you can also use the remote control to power button to turn it off, but it's best to turn it off directly, either breaker or to basically unplug it. Now wait for a few minutes, which is around like 5 to 10 minutes, and turn the AC back on and check if that error is gone. Now if the error persists, there are going to be still a few things that you can try doing here. Next is you may want to inspect the communication wire here. Now a loose and damaged communication cable can cause the U4 error. Now how do you check it? Now in this case, you want to locate the communication wire connecting the indoor and outdoor unit. Now, you want to look for any signs of damage, loose connections, or disconnections. Now, secure all connectors properly, and if the wire is damaged, you may need to replace it. Now, if the communication wire is fine, but the error remains, there are a few things still that you can do. Next is you want to inspect the PCB, or printed circuit board here. Now, the PCB, printed circuit board, is an essential part of both indoor and outdoor unit. A faulty PCB can cause communication errors. Now, in this case, you want to open up your AC indoor and outdoor unit panels carefully. Now, you want to inspect the PCB for visible damage, burn marks, or even loose or broken components. Now, if the PCB is damaged, you may need to repair, or in this case, it's best to replace it. And in this case, you want to also check the power supply. Now, sometimes unstable voltages or low power supply can trigger communication errors. So, you want to ensure both indoor and outdoor units are receiving stable power voltage. Now use a voltage stabilizer if your power supply fluctuates. Now if your stabilizer is faulty, replace it with a new one. Now if the issue persists, the following and last thing that you can try doing here is you may want to contact Daikin support. Now in this case, you want to go ahead and just go to the official webpage here, and you should be able to start connecting or contacting their support. Usually they have their own support page that you can refer to in order for you to start contacting them. Now you can also call them via their care hotline, WhatsApp support, or even email support. So depending on where you want to contact them. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.